little video here. So I bought this tool from Lowe's, this crimping tool, to fix this cable, this flat cable, because if you don't remember, I broke the little tabs off, and they fall out of the plug there. So I bought this little tool, which was I think that they had it marked for like $50, but when I went up to the register, it was $26. So I don't know what happened there, but this is the brand of it, and it came with little connectors. I bought a different set because I remember them saying on a video that you need like RJ12 connectors. So I bought some of these. Well, this one says RJ11, but then it says RJ12, and then I looked around in here and I found one that had 6 pins on it. So, which is what you need for when you're using the power cab one, because I don't have the command station thing. The booster is what it's called. So I, for the first time, crimped my own connector, put a thing on there and crimped it, and it seems to work. And my camera seems to be a little fuzzy. Is that better? Come on, stupid camera, stupid phone. Well, anyway, so I put a new end on it. I actually taped it. I taped on unboxing video of opening this and all that stuff and crimping the thing for the first time. Well, you know what happened? I go to take the camera off of my phone off of the little ledge that I screwed this little board so I can get like a top view. And I went to go grab the phone and accidentally pushed the stop button on my phone. And I don't have the software to stick clips together, because YouTube used to have something like that. Now they don't anymore, and whatever. So I look at the playback of the unboxing, and for some odd reason, when I went to film it, when I pushed the little red button and then put my phone up here to film down here, some reason my phone flipped the picture when I did that. So it filmed the whole unboxing upside down. So that video is useless. I don't have the software to reflip it in the editor thing, so I can't fix that. So that video is, I'm deleting that. So that video's gone. So anyway, so I'm just going to show you this, and I got this. So I did crimp it, and it fits on there. And if we plug it in to here, it actually fits kind of tight. So I was kind of worried that maybe I did that wrong, but it actually, I watched a video on how to do it, and it seemed really easy. I figured that it was going to be like when I repin connectors on my pinball machine, where I have to crimp every individual little pin and then push them in. But this one, you don't do that. You just strip the wire back, the plug slips over it, and you just make sure the right wires are in the right spot, and then you just crimp the thing on, and that's good. So, but now, put this in here. You have power, so I just got to turn it. That was the other thing. So when I was filming, so when I went to move the camera, I didn't have any amps on my thing, and then what I realized after I screwed up that video, that I forgot to flip the switch on this thing. So, well, anyway, so we're plugged in, and we're reading power, so let's run. Or no, it's not, because there. Now it's going to be reading. All right, so now we have power. So the track's getting power. You can see the lights on over there. So seems like that's going to be good. And it seems like that's not going to fall out, so that's great. Because that's been annoying so far. having to tape that thing in there, and then as soon as you move the cord, the plug falls out. And but yeah, so we're good. And you know what's nice about that thing now that I know how to crimp these wires? I could trim this fucking wire and make it a little shorter. So I don't have all this bullshit, you know, on there. So, but actually, I haven't really tested it. I just plugged it in to make sure the thing works and it powers up the thrower. So I would assume that I could power up the engine with this, or should be able to. And I did some changes when I put that switch in. The tracks used to be separate, and for some reason this switch here, they have little bands underneath here that connect that connect power through it, and I didn't realize that at the time. I figured if I just put 2 cuts here and here, that would stop the power flow between the two, but that didn't. So it was because I have these little bands in there. So cutting these, putting gaps, there's one gap right there, and there's another one over here. So they didn't do anything, and I couldn't understand why, because that should stop that. So I ended up already nailed it down. So what I did was I was like, well, I really don't need to have those 2 links, because if you have it on DCC, you don't really need to worry about that. Only when it's in DC. So what I did was I just cut out just to make it simple, I just cut out the track 1 that used to be the middle loop, removed it. So now we just have only power going. So now track 1 and track 2 are the same. They're all one track. And with DC, what I'll do is when I put it in DC mode, I just won't be able to run 2 separate DC things on here. That's the only, you know, I can run them, but I can't. We won't have separate controls for them. So, which kind of sucks. I could have fixed it. You know, I could have made it work by cutting those bands, but it just seemed like it was going to be a pain in the ass. So I didn't do it. And I didn't feel like screwing it up and then having to buy another one of those things. So, and if I had done it the way I was going to do it, when I was going to buy 2 separate ones instead of just this one turnout, you know, to get 2 separate straighter ones, then it would have worked if I had insulated in between the 2. But whatever. But anyway, so I did that. And I re-switched some power. I put another block in so that I can park 2 engines and have them shut off. So what we'll do is we'll turn on block. Is this the new one or that one? Here, let's turn this one. I think this is the one the UP is on right here. So put that there. Put this back in DCC. And I think this is the one where the Hudson's on. So I'll leave that one off. So that's on. We should be able to turn that UP on from here. So let's look here. Yeah. Yep. And I should have all my light functions and shit working. Yeah. That's good. Let me get on this stool thing. So we'll just do a quick test. Wait for that thing to warm up. Because it won't let me do anything while it's in warm up. What I should have done is rolled it forward and then hit the E key, and then it would have bypassed that the startup sequence. But I'll give it a sec here. But it should all work. Yeah. No, I'm not moving here. Let's set it back. Let me push 9. I might have it, I might have been playing with it the last time and have that turned off. Why are we not going? What the hell? Should what? Well, I have all the other functions. Why the hell won't it go? Let me push that again. See if that. Yeah, one moves. Okay, something is going on weird with that one. Here, let me switch things. We'll try a different one. I don't know why that would be a problem, but okay, let's just change engines here. Okay. This one should move. No, I wouldn't move. Alright. My lights turned off. Okay. Now my lights won't come on. What? What's going on with this thing? Maybe I didn't crimp it good. It was working. Man. Okay, that goes. It's going. Direction works in that one. What am I missing here? What's it doing there? Oh, it won't move. Huh. I don't know what's up with that. Here. Let's just unplug it. Maybe my controller's goofed up. Hasn't been used in a while. I have power. It says I got track power. No. Let's try it again. Not moving. It's 3812. What's going on with that? Just that. None. Try the other one. Huh. Now I got all these other numbers. I'm like, what the hell? Okay. All right. Well, I'll have to look into that. I don't know what's going on there. My controller's all screwed up now. Fucking ECC shit. All right. Well, anyway, I'll just end the video now because I didn't expect for that to be all screwed up now. So, all right. See you guys. Bye.